I don't think there is any greater mystery that we as human beings meet other than those repetitious, often painful moments where we're convinced that something has happened to us because of a change in the world around us. It isn't until those moments that it occurs to us that maybe we should let go of something or someone so that we might be released from whatever it is that we now see as ruining our life. But you see, the problem is that letting go is an inside job. And what that means is that the real task isn't connected to trying to change or otherwise control the circumstance that we blame the conflict in. Rather, it's understanding that there is a part of our consciousness that is actually created to let go, but doesn't understand the power it has to do that because of a miscommunication, a confusion that we have about who we are and what makes our life meaningful. I've been thinking a lot about the fact that there is nothing that comes into creation that isn't endowed with the ability and the need to let go. I don't care what it is, everything is created to let go. We are created to let go. It is actually half of our life, but it's missing. Recuperating, recovering, regaining the understanding that letting go is an inside job and that it all comes with this instant understanding of something in us that clings that we don't know is clinging. And in that revelation, the release, and the release, the relief of letting go.